In 1998, two Stanford students had a big idea: Larry Page, Sergey Brin. They wanted to organize the world's information. They built a search engine in a garage. They called it Google. Its mission was simple. It needed to give people the best answer to any question. It did this by ranking web pages based on how many other pages linked to them. This was a new way of thinking. It treated links like votes. This idea made Google's results much better than its competitors. People noticed. The name became a verb. Just Google it. But rapid growth was expensive. Thousands of servers, electricity, and top engineers. To keep going, they needed money and a model. The milestone that changed everything was the IPO in 2004. Google raised $1.67 billion, fuel to think bigger than search. It hired the best, built huge data centers, and started strategic acquisitions. Google found its money machine in advertising. AdWords, now Google Ads. Businesses bid to place small text ads next to results. Ads appear only when you search specific keywords. Not random interruptions, useful information at the exact moment of intent. Advertisers paid per click. No guessing. Everything was measurable. They could see clicks, costs, and return on investment. Irresistible for everyone, from the local plumber to multinational brands. More users, more searches, more ads, more clicks, more revenue, better products, more users. Search became one of the most profitable businesses in history. Every search triggers a massive automated auction in milliseconds. This efficient, scalable, profitable system underpins a $3.59 trillion valuation. It connects businesses with customers at the perfect moment. Google knew desktop search wasn't the future. The future was mobile. In 2005, it bought Android for about $50 million. Android was an open-source mobile operating system. Instead of one Google phone, it gave Android to manufacturers for free. Genius strategy, accelerate smartphone adoption. In return, phones came preloaded with Google Search, Maps, Gmail, and the Play Store, front and center worldwide. A direct line to billions of mobile users. As the world shifted to mobile, Google's ads and search shifted with it and grew. In 2006, it bought YouTube for $1.65 billion. Many thought it overpaid. Google saw the television of the internet. It invested in infrastructure and brought creators and media companies on board. YouTube became the default place to watch video online. Video ads reached a huge, engaged audience. Today, it has over 2 billion monthly users and tens of billions in annual ad revenue, an empire beside search. Behind search and ads, Google built world-class infrastructure. Eventually, it rented that power to others, Google Cloud, competing with AWS and Azure, storage, compute, and AI tools. A fast-growing multi-billion-dollar business and a new pillar. It demanded a new kind of enterprise sales and support muscle. Leveraging Google's technical DNA for a different customer base diversifies the company. Google ventured into hardware, Nexus and Pixel phones, plus Nest speakers, thermostats, and Chromebooks. Hardware showcases software and AI, end to end. In 2015, Google reorganized under Alphabet. Moonshots like Waymo and Verily became separate companies under the umbrella. It gave investors clarity on Google's core business while signaling long-term bets. Ambition beyond organizing information, toward defining the future of computing. Multiple pillars, one ecosystem, resilient and expansive. How does a garage project become a $3.59 trillion titan? Connect milestones to money. 1998 founding, 2004 IPO, 2005 Android, 2006 YouTube, 2015 Alphabet. It started with a superior product, search everyone loved, then a perfectly matched model, relevant performance-based advertising, money from search-funded Android and YouTube. Those secured dominance in mobile and video. Each step leveraged the last to build a bigger platform. Cloud expanded the revenue base. Hardware showcased AI and kept users in the ecosystem. Alphabet structure empowered moonshots with clarity. All products linked by one thread, data. More use means better services, more effective ads, funding new products. The flywheel spins. People return daily because it's often the best and easiest. Investors see a massive user base, multiple revenue streams, and heavy investment in AI. The takeaway: Google built a compounding flywheel, useful product, billion users, money engine, expansion, and back again.